Hello, nice of you to join me for this new vlog here in Bangkok. It's a video where I'm very excited for this time because time has finally come to start preparing for Christmas season. It's the beginning of December here in Thailand, and I'm so excited for the holiday season coming up, getting everything ready for Christmas. We're going Christmas tree shopping, or well, a fake one. We're going to a German Christmas market, and so many more holiday season and December themed things in this week vlog. So let's get ready, because tonight the very first activity is the German Christmas market. And when I still lived in the Netherlands, we actually visited a few Christmas markets back in Germany, so it's time to re-experience the Christmas market, but this time from Bangkok. Good morning from this sunny Sunday. Yesterday was amazing. Going to the Weihnachtsmarkt in Bangkok and experiencing a Christmas market instead of somewhere in Europe here in Thailand was honestly such a unique but entertaining experience. We had lots of fun. Unfortunately, I forgot my SD card in my camera, which is so stupid, but I still managed to get some shots. And besides that, it was so extremely busy. It was like fully packed. I wasn't really able to talk to you anyway because of all the people and all the noises. But it was such a fun weekend event. It's once a year and it's a real happening. It also explains so many people that came out to visit the Christmas market. And it was just so much fun to also see some staples of the Christmas markets, definitely from those in Germany itself. It was just an amazing experience. But it also created the new feeling to start preparing further for Christmas and for the holiday season. And I got inspired by all the lights and the Christmas trees. So today we're going to the Atmosphere Mall and we're going to score, hopefully, a Christmas tree, a fake one, but still we don't have any decorations for Christmas, no Christmas lights, no tree, no other decorations, so I'm super excited to go shopping for that and just prepare our small but then cozy apartment for the holidays. We are ready to do the Christmas shopping with the basket. I wanted to really quickly show you something because I got gifted something yesterday for my birthday and it suited the December month perfectly. Because if there's one thing that you can always make me happy with, it's something from Lush, the store, and I just got the most amazing gift. So I have 3 things here, and I just want to quickly show you because, as I said, it's perfect for the December and holiday month. Starting off with this candy cane bubble bar. I mean, you can use this multiple times, and it also smells like a bit of a mint smell, and I love that, honestly. But this is way too cute, and sometimes I'm even still surprised that I actually have a bathtub here in Bangkok, as that wasn't something that I was counting on when moving here. But moving on to the second one, it's the Magical Santa, and it has a bunch of different colors, as you can see. This is a bath bomb. And then on to the last one, and this one is so cute. And this is the reindeer. Look at this. I mean, and this is almost like with a cinnamon smell, but this is also a bath bomb. I'm so happy with this, so grateful. And I don't know, something with bath bombs and things of Lush always make me so happy because it smells so nice. And I thought I also wanted to show you because I think this is one of the most perfect gifts if you're looking for a gift for like the holiday season. But anyway, I'm gonna jump in the bathtub right now with one of these 3. And I also thought, like, for the next part of the video, or for the December months, what would be the perfect thing to do after receiving my own gifts? And that is going Christmas gift shopping. So that's something that I want to do in this upcoming weekend. I have a short list of things that I want to get for Jeppe, and I'm just so excited for the whole month of December. Good morning, it's Saturday today, and I've just sat down in this new cafe that I walked past, and it's honestly so cute because once again there's a Christmas tree, there's Christmas lights, and it's really amazing. So I sat down to do some work, but I was thinking, with the end of the year coming up, it's also almost time to start on my new vision board for 2026, and also writing down and thinking about the goals that I want to set for myself on as well work level as personal level. So that is what I'm gonna do this morning as well, before we go gift shopping and all the other fun December things. This year we are excited to be celebrating Christmas here in Bangkok. I'm really looking forward to that. But yeah, I thought that this is the perfect moment to start on those visions for 2026, keeping in mind that I only want to put things on my vision board that I can actually influence by my own actions and take responsibility for, instead of those big faraway dreams that is just a bit of manifesting. And yeah, let this be your sign that if it's something that you might want to do as well, that this is the perfect moment to start with that. And besides that, tomorrow I want to do a bit of gift shopping, so yeah, it's gonna be a super excited time. It's time to go out for food. The restaurant is called Nam 1608, or name, but I'm so excited. It's near the river, close to Chinatown as well. So I'm gonna take you with me. I think it's gonna be amazing with a view over the river as well. And they're serving Thai food. So let's try a new place.
Time has come to get some Christmas gifts. I'm super excited. I mean, what's better than giving gifts? Definitely during the holiday season or whenever. There are two stores here because we're in Amsterdam that I want to check out. One is, of course, Flying Tiger. I mean, I feel they always have the perfect, like, little gifts. And there's also another store, Another Story, something like that. It's also here in Amsterdam, and they have so many cute things like local Thai brands, but also just general stuff. And I'm gonna show you around. And if you're still looking for a place to gift shop here in Bangkok, then definitely check out those two places in Amsterdam. And as I said, I'm just so excited also to be giving the gift eventually. And we have a super nice Christmas planning coming up later this month. I mean, yeah, let's go and find the perfect gifts.
I just came back from a successful gift shopping session. As you could see, the Another Story store is amazing. They have so many cool and I feel unique things that are perfect for gifts like with the holiday season or just any time of the year, birthdays or special events. So I'm definitely going to come back there lots of more times probably. I'm not gonna show you, of course, because we're still a bit away from Christmas, so you never know who's watching. But I want to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching and kicking off the December month with me. I already mentioned it so many times in this video, but I'm just so excited for the holidays coming up and thankful for being able to celebrate it in Bangkok this year. So yeah, creating some new memories, experiencing a new place during the holiday season, and just enjoying. So very, very early, I already want to wish you happy holidays, and I hope to see you at the next video, of course, and that will be next week. Bye.